Hi sweeties, it's Elle, and today we're going to use junk journaling as a way to plan my LA capsule wardrobe. If you guys don't know, I'm going to head to LA in September for the BTS concert, along with other things that we're going to do that week. But I wanted to share with you how I plan. Regular planning lists and packing lists don't really do it for me. I need a visual way to pack my clothes, so this is how I do it in my junk journal. So let me just flip over to the actual spread that I made. One second here. Okay, cool. And my journal is getting a little thick, so I'm gonna have to use these binder clips to help weigh it down. So give me a sec to do that. And this one. All right, so this is my journal. I cut up these flat lay photos of my clothes, individual clothes, to put into my junk journal. Some of them are varying in size. These are not at all to scale, but I worked with what I had. So I have my leather jacket, my Kiki's delivery service pink cardigan with Gigi, and I have my Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee extra t-shirt here from Urban Outfitters. I have my thrifted floral blouse from Torrid. I have these cargo jeans that I've had for a long time, and I have these mom jeans from BT21 from Hot Topic a few years ago. So I have those as my individual pieces. And then I have two dresses. One is from H&M. I don't remember what this is called, but it's a wrap dress with a little tie on the side. And then this one is a chambray faux denim blue dress with little ruffles on the bottom and on the sleeves. So I have that. And then I have one pair of sneakers, one pair of leopard print flats, and one pair of sunglasses that I'm going to be wearing. Just so you guys know, it's just a week-long trip, and we have access to laundry at the place that we're staying at. So I don't mind repeating outfits. I don't mind re-wearing things over and over again. There's multiple combinations I could wear with these garments, but one outfit is here, one outfit is there, and two outfits with the dresses. So that's already 4 outfits. And I could just wear these individually every single day, one outfit for every single day, and then do laundry in the middle of the week, and then wear them again for the rest of the week. So yes, my first outfit is my leather jacket, t-shirt, and cargo pants, because we are actually driving to LA with my friend Jean. So I wanted to be a little more comfortable and a little more suited to the Bay Area weather. So leather jacket is essential for me, t-shirt for comfort, cargo pants because they're pretty airy and have a lot of utility in them. The second outfit I have is, I'm still really debating on whether I want to go fully pink girly for the BTS concert, which is the following day when we come back from SF. So I have my pink cardigan, my thrifted blouse, and my BT21 jeans. The blouse and the jeans are definitely going to be for comfort and also for fandom reasons, but I was debating whether or not it gets really chilly at night during the concert. I might want to swap out the sweater for my leather jacket and make it a little more edgy and not just full-on girly, but it really just depends on how I'm feeling that day. So if I'm feeling more girly, I'll wear the cardigan. If I'm feeling more utilitarian, a little more military, a little more cool and edgy, I'll wear my leather jacket. So there's that. And the dresses, I mostly wore them because I didn't want to bring another set of pants and tops and stuff. I just wanted to be a little more flowy, a little more relaxed, and just more towards the LA vibe, because it's still going to be in the dead heat of summer in LA when we go there. So there's that. I also decorated the page for artistic reasons, like coffee washi tape, a little matcha sticker, matcha latte sticker, a little We Bare Bear stamp sticker, some melted ice cream Mofusan stickers, and I have my little handwritten notes of what I want each outfit to be. Like this first outfit, I said road trip fit / exploring fit. And then this outfit, I said cozy, girly concert fit. And then fun, flowy, free is what I'm feeling for these dresses. And the LA sunglasses, LA sun ready glasses. And the most important out of the entire capsule collection is that I wanted comfort over style. And yes, even though these pieces are very like stylish to me and more personality driven to me, I wanted to be comfortable over everything. So, and of course, I'm not just packing, what is this, 8 items for the trip. I tend to overpack, so I wanted to make sure I stick to this. This does not include like sleepwear. Like I don't really wear pajamas. I wear like oversized t-shirts and maybe some biker shorts or something. And underwear, of course, and like any extra clothes that we might have, like if we're going swimming, which I doubt, but like I'll bring a swimsuit just in case, or workout gear just in case we go anywhere more athletic and more physically intensive. But yeah, this is my spread for my capsule wardrobe. So I did a little bit of planning. I already know which items I'm gonna bring, and also this does not include any accessories like jewelry or like another pair of sunglasses I'm considering bringing, but this is just like the whole like garment wardrobe that I wanted to do since I am a fashion designer. So I wanted to showcase that I know what clothes I want to bring that travel well and also make me feel like I'm a stylish girl. So yeah, and of course I put like little stickers to decorate here. Like one is in Korean because of course we're seeing BTS and stuff like that. There's one that says 뽀뽀, which means kiss or kisses. So yeah, that's the spread, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the actual packing video where I pack all my items for LA and just discuss what I actually am bringing, not just my concert bag, not just these clothes, but everything that we're bringing to LA. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, sweeties.